Hi everyone, welcome to Days Away.
Today we're at Hotnitsa Waterfall. Vodopada. Down the road there is the Antique Garden Grill and Chill, Barbecue and Grill, Summer Garden, Children's Corner. We're going to walk down there now and have a look at it.
We're going to try and wear these two creatures out here, which we're excited to go for a walk. This is the Antique Grill and Chill. Uh-oh, there's a cat there.
There's a dog. A German Shepherd puppy over there. Look at him there. Oh, two dogs.
What a be a Days Away without a bridge.
Oh great, look at it.
Looks a bit rickety, that, doesn't it? So you can walk up the side there. That takes you up.
I do have a picture of me and the kids on that bridge about 11, 12 years ago. I'm not sure about this one.
Go on, get across. Walk on the bolts. Lots of water. After all that rain we've had.
Mind you don't slip. It's more over there, look. When we first came here, there was no cafes, there were no shops, it was just a waterfall. And you could swim in it, it was beautiful. I think we should eat here. It smells so good. Got some water. We got it from this bar and grill.
Sounds your Hotnitsa.
It's alright. From the Hotnitsa Bar and Grill.
Normal bread though.
And this is a salad.
It's more like a coleslaw.
Yeah, lacking mayonnaise though for a coleslaw. It's alright. It's just a little put you over, isn't it?
We're going to make our way up here now. You ready?
Yeah, what does this say up here? No, I'm not ready. Alright, okay.
Don't know, we'll have to get Jack to translate that one.
Yeah. Might be too late.
Oh! Look at them slippy rocks. Ooh.
This is not good.
Sturdy as well, that pen. Oh. If the camera goes away, that means that it's getting a bit hairy. Wowzers. Don't fall, it gets you down. Beautiful. You ready for the next step?
Wait for these people first.
Another bridge, but I'm not sure I want to go across this, Ben. It's not far to go if we fall. Woo!
Can we go up and come down the roadway?
Yeah. Ooh. It's like Star Wars going through the tunnel. Wow. Let me out! Let me out! Won't go too close to the edge just in case it slides off, landslide. That's where it starts from. Another wibbly wobbly bridge.
One of them isn't very sturdy.
Quite a few of them are sturdy, I don't think.
A whole new world.
Second waterfall coming up. Yeah, that's sturdy as oak, that one.
I think I get myself into these things.
I think they could have used a bit of a thinner piece though, couldn't they? You could always jump across, Ben, if you'd rather go that way rather than over the bridge.
Go fancy a swim. Giant mosquitoes.
They're water skis. Now this one feels a bit wibbly wobbly. Don't stand on that like I did. I'm nearly over then. This one looks good.
Alright, I've got it. I've got it.
You've got it. Has the bridge got us though? I bet people jump in there in the summer.
Oh no.
Come on, it's good.
You don't realise we've got to get back.
I know. It's like a ladder going on roof. Just think of it like that.
Tell me we don't either.
Neither will that creaking when you hear it. Oh my god. Oh wow. That screw's not right in.
Oh great. That's a perfect thing to say to me.
What a view.
Is this the end?
No.
Oh, I'm joking. No.
Just be careful on this bit.
What do I want to do anymore? I quit. Graham's going on solo.
I'll be back in 5.
I don't like it.
It is quite nasty. But luckily I'm not scared of ladders. Just heights. Lots of creaking going on. It's just an amazing land away from everything. If it weren't for this walk, I'd give it a really low rating, but this is just magical. All these little ladders and bridges and scary bits. Oh. It's well worth coming for if you like this sort of thing. Wonderful. Think I better go back. I'm sure my wife is slightly worried how she's going to get down. Penny, Penny, let down your hair.
That's by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
This is the worst bit.
I'm glad I stayed here then.
No, I mean this bit on that side.
Just seen a lizard. A lizard's just gone in one of these cracks.
I think it'll have gone on further and you could probably get round and walk across the top, but we'll go from the other side.
Found that a bit cagey. I'm sure when I look back on this tomorrow it'll be, you know, great fun. But at this precise moment, please just get me to the car in one piece. So we're walking up the back way, hoping to bring you some magnificent views.
Glorious day today. Sun's shining, a nice 18 degrees. Not bad for October.
Must be getting close because we can hear the water, can't see it.
So here we have Hotnitsa from another perspective. Anyone scared of heights? Come on dogs, you need to go frolic while you can. Someone's made this nice little wooden structure up here. Nice for us to sit in. Dogs are pooped now. Did you bring some water?
You brought the water.
I didn't bring the water.
Oh, I didn't bring the water.
We haven't brought water again.
We're going for a drink at the bar anyway.
Yeah. The dogs can drink out of the stream, can't they?
Delicious, nice and cool.
Yeah. Maybe they've got a dog bowl outside for you. More litter.
Don't even tell them what's in amongst that litter. It's disgusting.
Yeah. Nice cloud shadow in the field. Looks like a broccoli. Beautiful.
See those metal monsters standing on the hill. Looking at them standing very still. But at night time they come alive and they go out to kill. Hide everybody. If you can, they will.
Just look at the litter people are throwing out of the cars. Sorry to say, but a lot of Bulgarians just do not have respect for the country. Litter everywhere. Why? David Attenborough here.
Here we have what the natives call a nope rope. This is probably a very harmless snake basking in the glorious sunshine. But we will not get too close and we will keep moving. Come on, Sir David.
Oh! Sorry.
Leave it alone.
Once again, we forgot to rate it.
I think we should just call it the in-car rating.
Yeah, in-car rating. So, the in-car rating from me, because I really do like the ladders and everything and the bridges. It makes it really magical. So I'm going to give it an 8.
It's beautiful. It really is. And as I've said before, my fitness level isn't that great. So I found it hard going. But I'll give it a 7, I think. Because it really is beautiful. And we went up that track and we went down that track and we went up that track and we went, you know.
Yeah, if it were just a waterfall without them tracks,
it's still beautiful. But
it's still beautiful, but it'd be over in 5 minutes, wouldn't it? And
yeah.
Yeah.
It is. Bring a picnic, bring some water. I mean, there is water available to buy there, but bring some water so that when you get to the top, you can have a drink. There is a picnic bench along the way as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
So you can sit and have a lunch in the beautiful surroundings. But we've just had an ice cream.
Which were very nice.
It's a reward.
If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Ring that bell. Toot toot.
Yeah, and if you could watch to the end, that's just fantastic for our channel. See you next time, guys.
Bye.